Hello, Busan Elementary School is ready.
Okay, check. Okay. 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 Bina Insani also ready. Okay, we can start now. Is it clear, the voice?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. It's time for the blind international exchange class. Let's start now. Today, Parents of Kosan Elementary School are also observing our students' classes in real time. Can you say hello to my... Sorry. Can you say hello to our student parents? Today's class topic is what's in my culture box. The two students will have time to introduce the items in the culture box to each other. And this is today's plan. First, class opening. Second, bring from special guests. Third, culture box items introduced by teachers. And fourth, group presentation by students. And quiz and Q&A. And the last step is take picture and closing. Today, there is a special guest. Let me introduce our first special guest of the day, Miss Amalia from the Indonesian Embassy. Okay, I will open your mic. Wait a moment. Please say hello to our student.
Halo, 안녕하세요.
Yeah. Can you give us some greeting message to students?
Okay. Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Selamat siang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. 저는 I am Amalia Fitria, the Education Attaché of the Indonesian Embassy in Seoul. I'm really happy today to greet all of you, our amazing students from Indonesia and South Korea who are joining this exchange class program. This is such a great opportunity for all of you, not just to study together, but also to really connect across culture, making new friends and learn from each other's way of life. For you to know, education is not only about books and classroom, but it's also about sharing stories, understanding differences, and building friendship that lasts beyond borders. To Indonesian students, I hope you enjoy your time during this program. Be open, be curious, and don't be afraid to try new things. And to our Korean friends, thank you for welcoming our student. We hope you to get to learn something new about Indonesia, our culture, our kindness, and also our tradition. So I think this program is a great step to building stronger ties between Indonesia and Korea, starting from young people like all of you. Who knows, maybe one day some of you will work together again, perhaps in universities or in business or even in government. And to the teacher, congratulations and thank you so much for making this program happen. I really appreciate the hard work you have done to connect students between our two countries. So let's make the most of this time, this moment, learn, explore, and most importantly, let's have fun. Thank you. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다. Thank you for a good message for us. And there's one more special guest. Let me introduce our second special guest of today, Mr. Henry, the Chief of Bogor Education Office. Where is he? Hello, Mr.
Oke, halo.
Halo, Mister.
Annyeonghaseyo. Terdengar suara saya?
Terdengar, terdengar.
Oke. Terima kasih semuanya, Bu Amalia. Selamat pagi, Bu Rafika dari Bina Insani. Dan anak-anak semua dari Bina Insani. Di sini ada anaknya teman saya nih, Malika. Dan juga anak-anak yang dari yang saat ini ada di Korea. Ya, terima kasih. Saya senang sekali bisa hadir di sini, bisa menyaksikan bagaimana pendidikan di Bogor itu sudah sampai tingkatan yang sejauh ini, gitu. Untuk ketahui bahwa Bogor itu selama ini masih berusaha untuk bicara tentang akses pendidikan. Tapi Bina Insani sudah bicara tentang mutu pendidikan dan juga relevansi pendidikan. Ya, jadi saya sangat mendukung sekali program ini. Karena ini saya anggap sebagai next levelnya pendidikan di Kota Bogor, di mana anak-anak tidak hanya belajar di kelas, tapi juga ada pertukaran kebudayaan, dan ditambah lagi tadi Bu Amalia bilang ini tidak hanya di soal teori, tapi soal juga nanti ada sharing story, diskusi gitu, pertukaran budaya, pertukaran lagi apalagi pengetahuan. Ini sangat mendukung apa yang disampaikan oleh Kementerian Pendidikan tentang metode deep learning bagi siswa. Jadi semuanya matching, baik tentang program kementerian maupun tentang isu global pendidikan, yaitu menyangkut mutu pendidikan dan juga relevansi pendidikan. Harapan saya, ini bisa menjadi model bagi sekolah-sekolah lain yang juga punya kemampuan seperti ini, seperti mungkin ada Gereja Paciska atau SMA atau yang lainnya yang sudah memiliki kemampuan yang sama, sehingga akan banyak anak Indonesia yang memiliki akses lebih besar lagi, tidak hanya berputar di dalam negeri, tapi juga aksesnya di luar negeri gitu. Menjadi warga dunia, nggak hanya warga negara Indonesia. Sekali demikian dari saya terima kasih. Harapan saya ini bisa berlanjut dan makin diperluas tidak hanya di Bina Insani tapi juga di sekolah-sekolah yang lain. Itu aja dari saya. Terima kasih semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Terima kasih, Mr. Harry. Okay, Mr. Harry. You ready? Okay. Mr. Student and also Mr. Lee and Miss Amalia, I will try to translate the greetings from Mr. Harry Karnadi as a Okay, can you hear my voice clearly? Okay, I will try to translate the greetings from Mr. Harry Karnadi as the head of education office from Bogor. Okay, Mr. Harry said, Mr. Harry said that education. Can you hear? Okay,
Mr. Harris said that education in Bogor has made significant progress and remarkable advancement, particularly through cultural knowledge exchange and as well as a meaningful friendship. From this program, especially from international exchange class between Bina Insani Primary School and also Gosan Elementary School from Korea, this one is really aligned with the deep learning approaches that promoted by the Indonesian government. Mr. Harry Kanadi said, hopefully this program will give you more fun and more knowledge for everybody. I think that's enough from Mr. Harry Kanadi. Okay, thank you. Mr. Lee, you may continue.
Okay, I already translate it to Korean. Okay, next step. The third step is an introduction of the culture box items introduced by teachers from both school. Items with school picture will be sent to each school, and the items with student picture will be sent to each student. So I will introduce about Korean cultural boxes item. First, folding screen. And my student's gonna explain about ancestor-like culture. And then Korean traditional spinning top. Student's gonna explain about how to play this. And this one is lucky pouch. In Korean, 복주머니. And next item is the Korean traditional toy. And this one is K-pop light stick. It's gonna explain about K-pop light stick culture. And next one is Jeki. And this one is royal court costume. And the last, and this one is Mappe. And students gonna explain about this item with special stories. And this is takji. I think everyone in the world know this one because from Squid Game, this takji is very famous these days. And next one is 나전 칠기 or 나전 technique. In English, normally it is spoken to mother of pearl inlay. Okay. These are 10 items from Korea. And after teacher's explanation, my student is gonna explain about these items. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Lee. So now I will explain what the cultural items from Indonesia. The first one is wayang. Wayang is like a traditional doll from Indonesia. And we will show you the traditional game. Gasing and bola bekel. Nah, as we know, in Korea there is a traditional games looks like this. Okay. Next. Okay. And then now gamelan miniatur. This gamelan miniatur is a traditional music instrument from Indonesia. And then the totopong. Totopong looks like a hat from Indonesia, especially from Sunda. And this is usually used by boys. Uh, and then batik pouch. Batik pouch. This is the pouch that made by batik. So many ornaments and variants of the batik. Okay, next. Okay, from Indonesia, we will show you the traditional clothes, especially from West Sumatra. West Sumatra, or maybe familiar with Padang. From Padang. And also we will tell you about Indonesian snacks. The famous one is Indomie and also the Kopiko, because you will hear the explanation from the students also. Next. Okay, and then also the traditional house. There is the Joglo house and Honai house, and we will share you about the keychain. The keychain made from Kujang miniature. Now, because Kujang is an icon from Bogor, maybe in the Korean friends, if you come to Bogor, we will see the Kujang monument together. Okay, next. Now, from Indonesia, there is a traditional game board. The name is Congklak. And from there is a batik jumputan. Now, we can make the batik jumputan. We will explain how to make the batik jumputan. Next. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I will give it to Mr. Lee.
Okay, thank you for explanation. And next turn is our students' time. I think Korean student group 1 start first, and then next Indonesian student group 1. Okay. So group 1, come here. Are you ready? Okay, start.
What's in my culture box? Team 1.
I'm 신도희.
I'm Gaon. I'm Park Do-jin. Cultural items from Korea, K-pop like Stitch, culture, and Jackie.
Hi everyone, let me tell you about 제기차기. 제기차기 is a fun traditional Korean game. You kick a special toy called the 제기 with your foot and try to keep it in the air for as long as you can. It's popular in winter, especially during Korea New Year's Day. A 제기 used to be made from paper or cloth, but now they also use plastic or vinyl. The rules are easy. Just keep kicking the 제기 so it doesn't touch the ground. You can use one foot or both feet if you are good. Let's watching the 제기 video.
This is the video. Yeah, we can play Jeki like this way.
K-pop light culture and invitation, history and invitation past. Fans use balloon in either specific color. prototype in the 1990s, HOT, popular model light stick. Beginning, Big Bang launches the era of K-pop first officer light stick with Bang. 흔들어. 이거. Unique light stick become must-have item for every idol group. Look at this. 여기 또 뭐야? 좀 들어와봐. 흔들어봐. Look at this. Okay, let's watching the light stick video. 빠져 이제. 와, 내가 저 아이돌 너무 기대된다. 와, 너무 멋져요.
안녕하세요. 아이고, 오늘 이렇게 많은 팬분들이 와주셔서 감사합니다. 우리의 에피소드가 자기만을 향한 배경은 알지만 저때 이즈가 끝나 팬분들 아쉽지만 다음에 봐요.
Each group has a unique design and cheering style. They show fans unity and strength during concert. Let's watch in the concert video.
Okay, I will show you video how to we use this light stick.
Toda a cidade, seja na direita! Visão!
하나, 둘, 셋. terima kasih.
감사합니다.
Wow, very nice.
Mikrofon dia jangan itu.
Okay. Thank you so much, Group 1 Korea. Everybody here is very excited when you show the light stick, yeah? The light stick, they're very excited. Okay, now it's Group 1 from Indonesia. Yeah, please prepare. Please, you can come forward here. Okay, now it's Group 1 from Indonesia.
Hello, we're from Group 1. My name is Bianca. My name is Hana. My name is Lula.
And my name is Ryan.
We want to present Wayang, Gasing, and Bekel. What is Wayang? Wayang Kulit is a traditional Indonesian shadow puppet performance that uses leather puppets played by a puppeteer and is called dalang behind a screen, accompanied by gamelan music. But there are also wayang that played like a musical and it called wayang orang. How to play wayang? There are 6 steps to playing wayang, namely 1. Understanding the wayang characters. 2. Understanding the wayang story. 3. Preparing the wayang and screen. 4. Practicing telling the story and moving the wayang. 5. Understanding gamelan music. And finally, 6. Presenting the show.
This is a video of how wayang is played. Gasing. What is gasing? Gasing is a traditional game that is popular in various regions in Indonesia. Played by spinning a top-shaped object using a rope. Gasing is a traditional game involving a round object, usually made of wood or other materials, which is spun on its axis.
How to play gasing? Wrap a string around the top of the gasing, then throw the gasing on the ground while pulling the string quickly.
Fun fact. Did you know gasing is similar to spinning top penggi from Korea? This is a picture of the difference. Bekel. What is bekel? Bola bekel is a traditional game that involves throwing and catching a small rubber ball while collecting several bekel beads, usually made of brass, tin, or plastic, scattered on the floor.
How to play bekel. In the game of bekel ball, children will throw the bekel ball quickly, pick up the bekel seeds, then instantly catch the bekel ball that was thrown previously. The game progresses in the difficulty as players advance through levels.
This is a video of how to play bekel. Fun fact. Did you know bekel is similar to gongi from Korea? This is a picture of the difference.
Thank you.
Okay, that's from group one from Vina Insani School.
Yeah,
We
thank you for the
also had a
explanation. Yeah,
Mr.
it's
Lee.
similar to Gonggi, the back hill. Okay, I will show you. Group 2, come here.
Uh, Hello, we are group 2. I'm Jeha.
I'm Mara.
I'm Hwani. We will talk about 복주머니 and 공기.
Korean traditional clothes hanbok don't have pockets, so people made special pouch to carry things. Rich people used more fancy pouch. Today, women sometimes carry them as accessory with hanbok. These pouches are made of pretty silk fabric in many colors, like pink, blue, and green. People also put money in 복주머니 as New Year's gifts. People believe carrying a 복주머니 keep away bad luck and bring good luck all year. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.
새해 복 많이 받고 건강하세요.
감사합니다.
공기 is a traditional Korean game. You play it with 5 small round stones or seeds. A main rule is when you pick up a stone, you must not touch other stones next to it. Also, if you throw a stone up and can't catch it, you lose your turn. 공기 helps kids get better at and using their hands. Kids get better at using their hands and moving their bodies. It also teaches them to be careful and calm. Rule of 공기. Step 1. Throw one stone up, pick up one from the ground, and catch the falling one. Do this until you pick up all 4. Step 2. Throw one up, pick up 2 stones at once and catch it. Do this twice. Step 3. Throw one up, pick up 3, then 1 and catch. Step 4. Throw one up, pick up all 4 at once and catch. Step 5. Put all stone on the back of your hand, throw up at depth up and catch with your thumb. The next video is 공기 video 2.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening.
Okay. Really good. Yeah, we will. We see that Gongi looks like a bekel. Yeah, Gongi looks like, but Gongi dia doesn't use the ball. But in Indonesia, we use the ball. Okay, we will go next to the group two. Before we go to group two, we will say thank you for the time and the support for Bapak Heri Karnadi. You already come to our online class. Thank you a lot for the support and also your time. Okay, well, group two from Indonesia, please come forward. Okay, we will prepare first.
Yes. Hello. Hello. This is Group Two's presentation about gamelan. This is Group Two's presentation about gamelan, totopong, and pouch batik. My name is Safa. My name is Karina. My name is Excel. And my name is Alvaro. And gamelan. Gamelan is a type of traditional Sundanese gamelan assembled from West Java, Indonesia. Miniatur gamelan. It is a jeglong, kendang, saron, and gong. Sarong and jenglong. The sarong is a Javanese musical instrument, specifically a type of metallophone found in the gamelan ensemble. A jenglong is a bronze gong instrument used in the Javanese gamelan. Fun facts. The Indonesian sarong is traditionally played by a single wooden mallet called a tabuh. The jenglong acts as the middle manager because it sits between the gong ageng and smaller instruments. Gong and kendang. A gong is a metal percussion instrument used in the Javanese gamelan. A kendang is a double-headed barrel-shaped drum that is made from wood and animal skin. Fun facts. The biggest gong, called the gong ageng, acts as the leader of the ensemble, marking the start and end of musical pieces. Kendangs often have one side bigger than the other. This is the gamelan performance.
Gamelan
is a traditional
from Indonesia, especially from Java and Bali. It is played by a group of people together using many different musical instruments.
Papapong is a traditional Sundanese headband. Sundanese men wear it during traditional ceremonies, dance, or to show their cultural pride. Batik pouch. It is used to carry small items like coins, keys, or accessories. Batik pouch are colorful, unique, and often handmade, making them both practical and cultural. Thank you for your attention. This is Kendang. It's gamelan. This is saron. Yes. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Bye.
Will you send those instruments to my school? Is it right? Group 3, come here. Okay, Korean team, group 3. Let's start.
Hello everyone, this is Group 3. We're talking about Korean Kinsambok and Korean Kinsambok and Amengosa and about Korean Mape. Hi, I'm Isan.
Hi, I'm Maru.
Hi, I am Insol. There are 3 rules. 1. Korean Kings 한복. 2. Korea Queens 한복. 3. 암행어사 and about Korean 마페.
The 공룡포 which was written by kings in the past for important work was a special test that showed Talking, Supreme Power, and Power Recall, and Silver Bullet patterns.
Queen Sambo. Korea queens are very special hanboks.
Okay, I'm sorry. Keep going.
They were made of beautiful silk with bright colors and pretty designs. It was made with a lot of effort and value. This hanbok showed the king was the most important part. Only queens could wear this. Look at the video.
Okay, video.
Lend me a horse.
Okay. Here you are.
눈 안 나, 눈 안 나.
또박또박또박또박.
Stop it.
About Korean buffet. In Korea, there were special secret agents called Amengosa. The king gave them a secret tour for the buffet. It had horse pictures on it. When they showed it, they could get a fast horse to ride. This helped them travel fast and secretly, so they could find bad leaders and make them fix their mistakes. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for listening.
Move to group power. Di tengah.
Mana sini? Oh my God. Culture box. Traditional clothing from West Sumatra and Indonesian snacks. Group 3. I'm Bilkis.
Hi, my name is Nafa. Hi, my name is Sohail, or you can call me L.
Hi, my name is Rizkia. West Sumatra clothing. Bundok Panduang clothes are worn by married women and symbolize the important role of mothers in the Minangkabau family, which adheres to the matrilineal system. Batu Sangkar clothes are worn by married men. At a characteristic, striking color and gold embroidery ornaments, which means luxury. Suntiang or the crown. This is Suntiang. Okay. Indomie. Indomie is an instant noodle brand produced by Indofood. the Indonesian company. Indomie has been mentioned as the largest instant noodle manufacturer in the world. Once, Indomie has been collaborated with New Jeans, and I have once get a photo card from the mystery box. It's so nice. Hitato. Hitato is a cheap brand that's also from Indonesia. Hitato has a lot of flavors, including Indomie flavor. Hitato is known for their um bold flavors and wavy cut.
Bang Bang. Bang Bang is a delicious snack in the form of chocolate with several delicious layers inside. Bang Bang, it was a popular snack in Indonesia. It's not really expensive and it was cheap. Kopiko. Kopiko is a coffee candy. It is has in Korea. In Indonesia, the price is maybe 2,000 rupiah. Or in Korea is 167 won. Kopiko is a really popular candy, and the taste is like a coffee, but it's like a candy too. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you. Okay, group 4. Come here.
Bye.
What's in my culture box? What's in my culture box?
Culture item from Korea. 나전치기 딱지.
I'm 정태인.
강동민.
I'm 정예준.
나전치기 is a special Korean art. People cut shiny shell and put them on false boxes or furniture to make them pretty. A long time ago, kings and queens used them. Even people in other countries loved them. What is amazing? Made by hand, artists work very carefully. It takes a long time because make 나전치기 very difficult. Shiny colors. The shell shiny with many colors. It looks like magic. Korean tradition is show old Korean culture. What is for? Accessory, earring, necklaces, phone cases. Home item, frames, clocks, lamps.
A long time ago, Korean people liked to make things with their hand. They played game is they all made with a mat made of paper. You turn it or hit it on the ground to win. This game is a Korean culture. This is how to fold it. make our 딱지 video.
My student made a special video. It's so funny.
Make the ducks. Each person has one duck. Play the game. One person puts their duck on the ground. The other person throws their duck on top. Try to fill the other person up. Who wins? If you fill the other duck, you win. If not, the next player tries.
딱지 is a toy usually made of paper. We can use it for playing, collecting, and trading. 딱지 became famous because of the Squid Game. First, you can play by flipping other 딱지 with your own. Second, you can collect pretty 딱지 with fun design. Third, you can trade them with friends. 딱지 is a small, but it's a fun toy with many uses. terima kasih.
Okay, thank you for listening.
Okay, now let's go next to the next group, group 4. Please prepare, come forward here. Mr. Lee, it's around 2 minutes because this is Zuhur time, so there is I guess.
We are from group 4, and here are the members. I am Nio.
I am Dea. I'm Cinta.
And I'm Kaisa.
Joglo house. Joglo is a typical Japanese building or house style. The roof resembles a trapezoid. The middle part rises upwards in the shape of a pyramid. The front porch is wide and the central room is not divided by partitions, usually used as a living room. Fun fact: the origin of the name comes from the combination of the words Tajukloro or Joglo, which means two mountains.
Honai House. Honai is the traditional home of the people of the Papuan Highlands and Central Papua, particularly the Dani tribe. Honai houses are simple, round houses with small doors and no windows. Fun fact: Honai has two types of house, namely male Honai and female Honai. Kujang, the monument, is an iconic monument in Bogor. Its shape resembles a kujang.
The name Kujang originates from a traditional weapon, a Sundanese heirloom weapon believed to possess supernatural powers. Its heirloom or Kujang has been around since the 14th century AD during the reign of King Silwangi. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
This is the miniature of Joglo House.
The miniature of the Honai house.
Okay, thank you. The last group from Korea, come here. Our topic is what's in my culture box. Oh, I'm here.
I'm Hahi. I'm Daeun.
This is a folding screen. Folding screen are used as window breaks or in ceremonies. The top thing is a traditional Korean toy. There are 4 types of tops. They are mainly used by children.
This item is called a folding screen. It is used to block walls or cover something. It has been used in Asian countries like China, Japan, and Korea for a long time. Ancestral rites are a form of etiquette for remembering. As I said before, folding screens are all set up behind during 제사. 제사 usually held on traditional. Peggy is traditional Korean spinning top. There are four types. Each is spinning in a different way. It's more than a toy. It's part of Korean culture. I'll show you how to spin a top. This one is a 채팽이. a traditional Korean string top.
We show a video how to play this Korean traditional top.
벽 돌리고 그 밑으로 치는 거야. 살살. 더 세게. 옳지. 옳지. 어이구.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now the last group, group 5. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Amalia. Thank you for joining our class and thank you for your support. For a while. We